Building long-term wealth, a step-by-step guide. Want to build lasting wealth? It's not about getting rich quick. It's about investing smart. Here's how to do it. 1. Shift your mindset. Wealthy people don't chase quick profits. They build solid foundations. Ask yourself, how can I make my money grow steadily for years? Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. 2. Set clear financial goals. Define your goals: retirement, financial freedom, or your children's future. Your goals guide your investment choices and risk level. 3. Invest consistently. Wealth is built by consistency, not by chasing trends. Create a habit of investing monthly or quarterly, even small amounts. This method is called dollar cost averaging. 4. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset types. Stocks for long-term growth. Real estate for stability and passive income. Bonds or treasury bills for safety. Mutual funds or ETF for balanced growth. Businesses or startups for potential high returns. 5. Reinvest your profits. When your investments earn, reinvest. That's how compound interest works. Your money starts making money for you. 6. Keep learning. Stay informed about money. Read books, watch finance videos, and follow trusted experts. Knowledge protects you from scams and helps you make smarter decisions. 7. Avoid common mistakes. Don't follow hype or social media trends. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Don't panic sell when the market drops. And don't try to get rich overnight. 8. Stay patient and trust the process. Real wealth takes time. Small, smart steps done consistently lead to big results. Let time and discipline do the heavy lifting. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to building long-term wealth. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Start investing smart today